Yo, stock analysis Thursday. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1-minute video till the end, find out. Looking at unit software, it's actually very decent performance. This is crazy. I'm not sure if a lot of you are gonna watch this, but I'm the only guy in the space with 40,000 videos made, and it's taken me 5 years. Over those reps that I've done, and I've spent tens of thousands of dollars on courses and mentors over that time period, I've seen what's making me money and what's not, and all the data is documented on my YouTube channel. So, unironically, this is tough, man. This is tough. The main thing why I'm again biased towards this long side yet again is because I've seen this break, you know, and this is kind of the biggest mover here, the biggest needle mover. Ideally, like I would only care if the price corrects a little bit down. I'm praying for corrections, right? So for pull downs. And then if I see my rules met, that's a perfect conditions for me to get involved. Because like buying at the top, I'm not just gonna do that. Just from like reps, and if you want to learn how I'm making 5 to 10K per month trading consistently, click the first link in the description, get my free email.